Hey, what's up guys, this is I am back with a new video. Yesterday I have got a new keyboard. I didn't say it, but I got a new keyboard called Keychron V1. So we're gonna test it out to get it in a video. I'm not gonna show this clips, I'm just gonna show y'all the whole a match. I can edit some stuff, but I'm gonna show you the whole match. So now let's get into the video and then we will play. Now is the start of the match. My quality of keyboard, I think you can hear it, and my mic could be a bit worse, but I'm just gonna edit some stuff out just for now. So everything should be fine. Venomous. Now, how are we having these kind of people want to get? You know what? I am gonna save some bullets and there's no gun right here. That's actually my brains. Flushing.
Spike down B.
Bro.
No surprises. Last player standing.
Nah.
Wait.
Oh, you're back. And I have the knob version of the Keychron. I don't even know how. It was only option I had. I didn't even know it. The knob.
One enemy remaining.
Maybe it would have been $69 because it was like $79. But I like it. So I don't know the sounds. My membrane steel series had this also, but it was like had to spin it like it was in the front, like it was front, like looking at the front. No. Yeah, this looks actually cool. Yeah, I like this. I bought this. Yeah, for real, bro. I wanna say demonic, but was as cool from Delos's perspective. I didn't even know it. I don't know. I was looking at Era something. I'm not sure I was looking at Flash. Why did I actually? Oh, no, you gotta be joking. You gotta be joking.
Barrier deployed.
No,
One enemy remaining.
Right here.
I mean,
Not ready yet.
could come to
No peeking.
Boba. Oh, Boba. Where's Boba? Boba. I'm trying to memorize. I call it backside, but it's Boba for me. Boba. Not the drink, Boba. Boba. I think once I tried, but it was like I tried it from my friend bought a boba and I tried from him. And it was not that bad. He picked a pineapple something.
30 seconds
I'm
left.
not even sure what he picked. It was like 2 years ago when the boba was actually popular. Nice, good job.
I worked up an appetite on that one. Hello. I'm nothing like the enemy cove.
Oh,
I wouldn't be caught dead in that outfit.
as you can exactly see, I'm not putting on meat for right now because I don't want it. I'm just gonna play with promoting. I think it was sticky. But if y'all want a good budget keyboard, I say Keychron one is like $80. I'm not saying it's really. It's not like Royal Clutch K61, what it was called. It's not saying like that, but if you have a budget under like $90, $100, I'd say it's one.
Reloading. I want these.
Like the sounds and everything. The looks are also nice. How's it called? I am either gonna die. Why did I crouch? I'm so sorry. Is that the spectrum? That's the class.
One enemy remaining.
What am I saying class?
Healing you. Reloading. No peeking. Reloading.
Me? Is it called me?
I'll be right back with that one, alright?
Is it called me? Yeah, it's called me.
Last round in the half. Switching sides.
We should have won the round, but somehow my Deadlock has blind disease. I'm not saying she actually has it, but she has something. She has literally 60 hertz monitor got from Facebook Marketplace for free. Like, how did not she? Literally, she was peeking right here, and she literally there was a whole right here place she could peek. And I was carrying right here, and she literally somehow didn't even manage to see them, and I died. What is this? Nah. I'm checking if it's in caps lock.
Who will heal their healer?
Razor keyboard, when I pressed, it showed a lightning, a bit of light that I turned shift on. So
You know what we should do?
stop. Oh
Tell
shit.
ya.
Careful here.
Stay strong. Blocking movement. Over there.
I am like, I think too.
Right here. Tiny.
Orders rotating. Yeah, I can flash right. 3, 2, 4.
Cutting their vision.
Oh, why did you even say nothing about the wall, bro?
Still in sight.
I think they know where I am. Is the wall? I don't care. I ain't supposed to die. So that means I can close it just for protection. Yo, I made hell.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Nah, this.
All enemies accounted for. My ult
Match
is ready.
point.
Let them try to get
What is even UFF? They surrender? If it said U spacebar FF, then I would understand, but oof. Do you know somehow I play?
They will cover.
If
Get out of my way.
you know, I'm gonna use my scroll wheels to jump. Why am I actually walking so slow?
Mid.
You coming?
Enemy spotted mid.
Gotcha, fun. My
Spike down mid.
well done.
Spike
Spotted me.
There.
Barrier placed.
One enemy remaining.
Reloading.
I'll be team out on this thing.
Defenders win.
And we'll do it again and again and a bunch of other times after
Okay,
that.
this was the first round. I had so many deaths in this round, so I'm gonna cut a lot of parts in a lot of rounds. So we're gonna do another round, and it's gonna be like 10 minutes. Okay, now we will see you in the other match.
Reloading.
Here again in the other match. Positive team, everything good. Should be good, I think so. To be honest, I could make my Razer keyboard. I could have made my Razer keyboard sound like this one, but I just don't want to do that. And I won't do that because I won't be playing with the Razor Keyboard. I don't.
Up and away. Someone's there.
They're all here.
Saw you. You did good. I'll take it.
Let me know.
Got him.
One enemy remaining.
Good for three.
Spike down A.
Call out sick next time, yeah?
Nice. How did I actually survive that?
Switching sides.
Pry open their minds. Find the weakness.
I wanted to do another Vandal video, testing out a Vandal skin, but I freaking don't got anything like the second week, so you know I cannot freaking do anything.
Hello.
I think the game is freaking don't want. I don't even. The fact is I don't even have. I don't even have rated night on. Not rated night VP
Yes.
on my account. I freaking still
Roll for the next.
cannot get anything. I got freaking Turnami on my freaking old account.
No.
Like how dare you?
Salam.
Dizzy.
Dizzy's up top.
No people.
Dizzy has targets.
I want to be safe. That's right.
Enemy. Defender spawn.
Plant the spike.
Back to me.
Wait, what are you doing?
Mark two. Careful here.
But
Spikes down.
nah.
Spike down
ice
B.
on mine.
Careful here.
Oh.
90. Ice was backside.
Up and away. Dizzy has targets. Thanks, Diz.
One enemy remaining.
Run, little man.
Careful here.
Enemy
Sana,
spotted.
sana.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
My ult ready.
Did he have anything down to go?
There's my buddy.
Match point.
My little wing.
Pale and sweating. All good signs.
I'm gonna be B window.
Reloading.
Okay. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a battle pass Vandal review. Because I am for one tier. I am literally 4,000 away.
And
Right here.
Bleed them dry.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. How busy?
Dizzy's up.
Ooh. Wait. Did I? No, there's a smoke right there. He couldn't be there. He couldn't be there. That's a smart defense player.
Wingman's planting. Molded.
Okay, anyway.
Spike planted.
One enemy
Thanks,
remaining.
mates.
I wanted my DC to be back, but just
Saw you, Mosh.
I got you.
I got you.
I'm not sure if she's there.
nice.
Attackers
Oh, but
win.
how did I win so
My
fast?
crew delivers.
Sheesh. You know what? I'm gonna show y'all something, and then I'm gonna end the video. Did I get it? No. I am literally so close. So this is my shop right now, and I what is this? Actually, what is this? This is not bad, but I don't use frenzy. This is not good. I don't have this much, and I have black market vandal, and I don't want to think I'm gonna buy it. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe for more content like this. I'm maybe gonna do a vandal video tomorrow, maybe, but it's if I get something, maybe this one. I don't know. Yeah, see you later, guys.